Hello, in this video we're going to be installing Porsche's Puddle lights. When you open either the driver or passenger door, on the ground you're going to see the Porsche logo, and we think it is super cool. In this video we're going to show you how to install them, we're going to show you the after product, and we're also going to tell you where you could get some. So the first thing is you need to make sure that your actual door came with this light. That is the prerequisite for you to actually install the part, and now we're going to show you how to take it off. So it's a little awkward. It pops off. There isn't like a clip or a button. You simply have to get in there and just pop off the unit. I'm using a little trim tool in the back. I'm going to go to the other side. And if the lens comes off like this, that's okay, except do not touch that light. That light is really hot. That is not an LED light. So now it looks like we got one side off and now it's coming down. You see this clip right here? There's two ears on each side. You're gonna press down on the ears on each side and then just pull out. Now this isn't broken. This goes back on here, so don't freak out. And we'll show you how that goes on. Again, being careful with that hot light because it's really hot. And it just slides across and it's back on there. And then our new one just plugs in. We're gonna make sure that we don't cross our wires. And then when you install it, this is the tricky part. You want to make sure that you install it correctly because it's supposed to sit in there really nice and flush. Just like that. Almost had a slight crunch to it, but it's in there. If you look at this, it's perfectly flush in there. And actually, I think it gives it a better look both sides. This side and of course, our Porsche logo. And this is how it looks now. And another great thing is that when you take out the old ones, you could put it in the box of the ones that came in here, so you have an easy place to store them and you could put them away. And that came out great. We bought our Puddle lights from Suncoast Porsche Parts, a great place to buy your Porsche parts. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you check out the library of our 911 videos. We have a ton of videos of how to do things, popular modifications, definitely a lot more videos like this. All right, guys, take care.